Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another episode of Techmas video. Anyway, so in today's Techmas video, I have got this box right here, which I'm gonna go through. This was the box that my case for my PC originally came in, and I went home to my mum's house the other day and got a bunch of the old stuff that was mine or my brother's or whatever, and I put it in there, and now I'm going to take it out and hopefully find a home for most of this stuff that's in there. And if I can't, well then I guess it's going in the bin, but let's have a look at what's inside. Anyway, so in this box, first off we've got the original part of my microphone, the original stand for my microphone. We've got the box for my mouse. Got the box for my Joy-Cons. Now this is the first really interesting and dusty thing. We have the Sega Master System 2, which is a pretty old retro console where the games kind of slide in the top, and then the controllers look like this. So the controllers are like joysticks where you like use it like that, which is cool. Yeah, that's not bad. Also got the box for my Ripsaw, which is the capture card I use to record all my gaming videos. We've got a couple games for the Sega, or the Sega. I don't know how to pronounce it. My PC motherboard box, which is cool. The box that my Xbox came in, which is pretty dirty, but that looks alright. I'll find somewhere for that, I think. Got my DS box. Got my graphics card box. So this is the GTI Gaming 10 GeForce GTX 970 Ti. It says Ti on the inside here, so I think it's a Ti, but I'm not sure. Razer Firefly mousepad. The Razer Siren box, which is really nice. Probably one of the best packaged things I've seen in a while. The power stuff for the Sega. We've got the Black Widow Chroma keyboard box. And then last but not least, just a couple little more games. Just a couple more games for the console. So, now I need to figure out where I'm going to put all these, because I need somewhere that'll look good. I've got a little corner over here beside my shelves, which might look good, but I'll have to dust everything and, yeah, get it all ready to actually be stacked up. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Cool. So, this is the little corner that I might put some of this stuff in. Some of it I might put on my shelves. But I think we'll start off with moving these and putting some of the bigger stuff on in this little area. So the Xbox box is probably one of the biggest, so that can go there. Razer Siren is definitely quite big. Can't even see this, but it's definitely quite big. NVIDIA GeForce, and then MSI. I'm not sure, I might need to get Jesse in to help me. Maybe we can turn the Xbox One like this. Stand this up on it like that. Jess, I definitely need your help. So this is what we got. We have got this little box corner here, which looks really cool. I don't know. It looks cool in my opinion, and I'm sure I'll keep it for a while. Yeah. And then over here I've just added the Joy-Cons up here. And so I need more Joy-Cons so I can actually put more stuff in this shelf. And then down here I've added the Sega, and then the DS case. And then the DS's have just moved up to this shelf. And then with the rest of the cables and stuff, I've just put them in my drawers, which I need to go through and organize sometime soon. But yes. So yeah, for this bad boy down here, I'm gonna give it 10 Santa faces out of 10. Why not? This is amazing. I did it myself. But yes, most importantly, if you guys are enjoying Techmas, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We're up to day... I don't know. I don't even know what the date is. But yes, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment what you want me to review, and I'll see if I can get my hands on it and review it. And most importantly, goodbye, have fun, and I'll see you all next time. Later, dudes.